weather is officially here. Is your skin super tight or itchy when you go into the colder seasons? Are you breaking out more frequently? Is your skin extremely dry and dehydrated? If you have any of these skincare issues, keep watching. Chiutips. One thing about skincare is that it can constantly change, just like the seasons. It's really important to know what to do between spring, summer, fall, and winter. Now that we're in the colder seasons, it's really important during this time to know what to do in your skincare routine. By tweaking a couple of things here and there can really give you your best skin every season. I've also teamed up with Vichy to share with you guys my little skincare tricks that really help you transition your skincare routine from the warmer to colder seasons. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also if you want to see more videos every week and you want to join the family, please do. My name is Jen, and if you're new here, welcome. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. All right, let's get started. One of my best skincare tricks when it comes to keeping your skin healthy during the colder months is using a cleanser that won't strip away moisture. This one I'm using is from Skinfix. It's the foaming oil cleanser, and it's a hydrating creamy oil that lightly foams to wash away dirt and makeup without stripping the natural oils off of your face, which is exactly what my skin needs during this time of year. I put a few pumps in my hands, warm it up, and then go in gentle circular motions all over the face. This cleanser is free from fragrance, parabens, sulfates, formaldehyde, phthalates, silicones, and the list goes on, so I really do like it for this reason as well. If you have even drier skin during the colder months, I highly recommend an oil cleanser because it just helps moisturize and keep the skin supple instead of dry, flaky, and itchy, which is what we don't want during this time of year. After about a minute of cleansing, I'll rinse with warm water. This is super important because oil cleansers tend to leave a little bit of a film afterwards even though you've rinsed, so just make sure your skin is nice and clean after you use an oil cleanser. Now following that, I'll be using a warm towel. This is one of the best tricks that my mom ever taught me. She always used towels when cleansing her face, and this towel from Vichy is one of the softest towels I've ever used. It's great to just have on hand to, after you rinse, you just pat dry, that's also great. But another thing that you can use hot towels for is just to steam your face. If you don't have a fancy steamer, you don't need it. You just need a hot towel. So all you do is rinse this towel under hot water, let it kind of cool for a little bit so you don't want to scald your face, and then apply it directly over the face for about a few seconds and then remove. This helps awaken the skin and makes your products that you put on afterwards absorb so much better. You guys would have seen me use this guy a lot. This is the Pixi Glow Tonic. It won the Acne Awards in 2017 Teen Vogue, and I just love it, and I understand why people also love this too. When I'm using this, I just apply it with 2 cotton pads, swipe it really gently all over the face and neck just to make sure I get all that exfoliation going. It has glycolic acid in it, has ginseng to help improve circulation and energizes, and also has aloe vera to soothe and hydrate, which is something my skin definitely needs during this time of year. Don't be afraid to use toner, especially ones that are alcohol-free. This is one of my favorites from Fresh. It's the Rose Floral Toner. It's a cooling mist that moisturizes for 24 hours for a healthy, dewy look. So if you need that extra glow and dewy and hydrated look, this is the toner for you. During the colder months, I always like to steer clear of clay masks. One of my favorites is the Vichy Aloe Vera Face Mask. It's a soothing mask that helps reduce redness on the face, so if you find that your skin breaks out a lot or maybe it's just irritated from being in the cold, this is a really nice hydrating and cooling and soothing mask for your skin. Taking one of my favorite face mask brushes, I'm going to apply a very thin layer of this all over the face. I can instantly feel it cooling the skin, which is very nice and calming. This mask can help relieve distressed red skin that has extreme sensitivity. So if you have sensitive skin, this is a really great mask for you. And being a Vichy mask, it has the mineral thermalizing water as well as aloe vera together to make a super soothing and cooling face mask. This mask also doesn't dry hard, it just has a bit of moisture in it still to really keep that hydration in the skin. So you leave it on for about 5 minutes, you rinse off with some warm water, and then you pat dry. Hyaluronic acid could be one of the best skincare ingredients to have during the colder months. One of my favorites is the Vichy Mineral 89. You guys know that I love this booster. It gives my skin a daily boost of strength. It's non-greasy, which is amazing because I hate putting something on my face that makes it greasy and shiny and sticky. This doesn't do any of that. While still giving my skin a lot of hydration, this can also be used as a primer or mixed in with your favorite foundation. It's an all-around amazing product. I just warm it up in the hands and lightly press it and tap it into the skin until it fully absorbs. Facial oil should also be definitely one of your skincare staples during the winter months. This AmorePacific Botanical Radiance Oil has been in my skincare bag for a long time. I even use this during the summer just because it doesn't leave a greasy feeling. It doesn't make my skin super oily. It just nourishes my skin so nicely. I even add this to my favorite foundation sometimes just to give it an extra dewy glow. So with this, I just warm it up in my hands and then press it into the skin until it fully absorbs, and it gives my skin that instant, natural, healthy glow. I posted on Insta Stories not too long ago my review on the Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream, and I've had about 4 weeks to try this out and I absolutely love it. It has vitamin A, C, and E quinoa extract, which helps nourishes and hydrates dry skin. In the colder months, you want a moisturizer that will help lock in moisture. So all the stuff that you did before, prior to applying the cream, which is at this step, you want to make sure that it holds everything in. And this definitely does that. It's lightweight, but still very moisturizing and nice on the skin. Another skincare trick, if you find yourself having dry skin throughout the day and it's itchy and it just doesn't feel good and it's tight, is to use a facial mist. One of my favorites is the Vichy Mineralizing Thermal Water. It helps rebalance, it strengthens and regenerates the skin. Get a small facial spray bottle and just mist throughout the day to keep your skin dewy and hydrated. And for the body, you guys, I have to rave about the LUSH Therapy Organic Neroli and Lavender Bar. I've been using this obsessively every single day. This is amazing if you have dry, cracked skin. This also works if you have stretch marks. This is one of the best massage bars and nourishing bars I have ever used in my life. I would highly recommend it. If you have really dry skin, try this bar. You will not be disappointed. And that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and also leave a comment below and let me know what other videos you guys want to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all very soon in the next one. Bye for now.